Hello viewers, welcome to the tutorials for Arduino created by Smart Coderz. This course was created for people who have no or very little prior experience with electronics and programming. Whether you are a programming beginner, an electronic enthusiast, or you are an educator, no matter how much or how little you know about Arduino. In this course, I am going to help you start your Arduino adventure, and by the end of this course, you will get a basic knowledge of programming and ability to make an Arduino project by your own. What is Arduino? Arduino is a small programmable board, and it is an open source electronic platform used to design and build electronic projects easily. It can sense the environment and control the electronic devices. It is especially popular among the students, engineers, and researchers because it simplifies the process of working with electronics and programming. Why the Arduino was created? Before Arduino, working with microcontrollers was difficult and very expensive. Programming required complex hardware and software tools. So Arduino was created to make electronics simple and affordable to help the beginners to learn embedded systems, encourage innovations and experimentations. Today, Arduino is widely used in education, industry and research. Arduino consists of two main parts, Arduino hardware, Arduino software. Arduino hardware it is a small programmable board as I said before. Arduino software, which is IDE, used to write and upload the code. It supports simplified versions of C, C++ languages. It is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It is completely free and open source. We will discuss it in upcoming videos later. Have you ever wondered how Arduino actually works? No matter how complex the project, Arduino always follows one simple principle: sense, process, act. This principle is the foundation of all Arduino-based systems. Let's understand this principle first and then see how it works using a real-life example. First, sense stage. Arduino collects information from its surroundings. It uses sensors to detect real-world data. In the process stage, Arduino acts like a brain. It reads the sensor data and follows the instructions written in the program, decides what action should be taken. In the act stage, Arduino performs an action. Now, let's understand this with an example automatic fan system. In an Arduino fan system, a temperature sensor continuously senses the room temperature and sends the data to the Arduino. Arduino processes the temperature value using the program and compares whether it is greater than 30 degrees Celsius. If it exceeds 30 degrees Celsius, the fan turns on automatically. If less than the 30 degrees Celsius, the fan off automatically. Arduino works just like the human body. It senses the environment, processes the information, and acts accordingly. Different types of Arduino boards. Arduino boards comes in different shapes, sizes, and capabilities. Each Arduino board is designed for a specific type of project ranging from beginner to advanced IoT applications. Let's now look at three popular Arduino boards. Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is the most popular and beginner-friendly Arduino board. It is perfect for learning the basics of Arduino. Arduino Nano. Nano is a small and compact Arduino board. It offers Uno level performance in a smaller size. Arduino Mega. It is a powerful board designed for large projects. It is ideal when the project needs many sensors and actuators. Arduino boards comes in different shapes and sizes, and choosing the right board makes your project smarter and more efficient. Let's see real life applications of Arduino. Smart home. In this system, Arduino is used to control electrical appliances automatically without manual switches. Arduino is connected to a light sensor for detecting brightness and a temperature sensor for detecting a temperature. Based on the input values, Arduino decides whether to switch on or off the lights and fan. When the room becomes dark, the light turns on automatically. When the temperature increases beyond a set limit, the fan starts running. When brightness or temperature returns to the normal, devices turn off. It is used in homes, offices, classrooms. This system helps in energy savings and automatic comfort control. Smart door system. Door opening using fingerprint. This system uses Arduino to provide secure access control using biometric authentication. A fingerprint sensor is connected to the Arduino. The sensor stores authorized fingerprints in its memory. When a person places their finger on the sensor, Arduino checks whether it matches stored data. If the authorized person, door opens automatically. If unauthorized person, door remains locked and alert can be triggered. It is used in houses, offices, banks, laboratories. This system improves security and eliminates the need for keys or the passwords. Automatic streetlight system. Automatic streetlight system using Arduino to control streetlights based on daylight conditions. Arduino receives input from a light sensing device called Light Dependent Resistor, shortly LDR. It continuously monitors the surrounding brightness. Lights are switched on during low light conditions and off during daylight conditions. In simply, we can say it at night, street lights turn on automatically. In the morning, lights turn off without human involvement. It is used in roads, highways, and parking areas. This system reduces electricity consumption and manual maintenance. Automatic irrigation system. Arduino helps farmers automate irrigation and monitor the field conditions. A soil moisture sensor is placed in the soil. Arduino reads moisture levels continuously. When soil becomes dry, irrigation starts automatically. When sufficient moisture is detected, irrigation stops. It is used in farmers, greenhouses, and gardens. This system prevents water wastage and increases crop productivity. Healthcare system. Arduino is used to create low-cost health monitoring devices. A heart rate sensor is connected to Arduino. The sensor detects blood flow changes from the fingertip. Arduino calculates the heart rate value. The result is shown on a display. Heart rate is displayed in beats per minute. Alerts can be generated for abnormal heart rates. It is used in hospitals, fitness trackers, and home health monitoring. This system helps in continuous health monitoring. Robotics. Rover robots or mobile robots designed to move on rough and uneven surfaces. They are commonly used in real-life situations where the human access is difficult or dangerous. A rover robot can move forward, backward, left, right, and avoid the obstacles. It carries the sensors or cameras. Be controlled automatically or remotely. Arduino is often used as a control unit of a rover robot. It is used in space exploration, disaster rescue, military and defense, industrial inspections. Arduino plays an important role in making everyday systems automatic, secure, and efficient. From homes to farms and streets to hospitals, Arduino-based systems improve the convenience and safety. Arduino is a powerful yet simple tool that connects the digital world with the real world. From smart homes to healthcare and agriculture, Arduino is shaping the future of technology. If you found this video is helpful, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.